Hi besties, welcome back to the channel. Guys, transcription is life again. If you want a transcription job, then you want to watch this video. Yes, this company is hiring and they're hiring worldwide. Now I'm going to walk you through the details on how to get started with this platform so that you can start transcribing and start earning. Please give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe, comment. Alright, if you're new, comment first timer. Let's welcome you together in the comment section. So the name is Sterling Transcription. Sterling Transcription has been providing a comprehensive suite of exceptional transcription services to their clients across the UK, the rest of Europe, and countries around the globe since 2003. Sterling Transcription is part of the Global Pacific Solutions Network. About Sterling Transcription, they specialize in key fields including legal and medical transcription services, medical legal work, transcribing recorded video calls, typing of academic research interviews and focus groups, finance and media transcripts, and professional minutes taking. They have typists in all major cities across the UK. Sterling Transcription is a part of the Global Pacific and all of that. Whether you are a typist or a client, having access to their company unlocks a world of possibilities for your transcription field needs. So let's see how to get started. So if you come here, you're going to start as a typing contractor, not a client. So typing contractor registration is what you should click on. Then it takes you here. Create a secure account by self-registering with Sterling Transcription. Already have an account login here, so this is how the account is. Account type, I'm applying for a typing contractor position. Okay, so you can choose whatever position you're looking for. I'm applying for a typing contractor position. I require minute taking services, so both the client and workers can find something here. So click on this one, put your full name, your date of birth, confirm your address, confirm your password, and sign up. Once you sign up, then every other thing follows. You'll be able to see what's going on the inside. So I'll sign up and then come back and continue this. So after you sign up, they will ask you to verify your email address. So after verifying your email address, it brings you here. It will say your profile is incomplete. Please proceed to update. Then you'll be able to update with your name, your mobile number, your time zone. If you're in Africa, Abidjan, Accra, Addis Ababa, Algeria. Let me see if there's Lagos, Nigeria. Yeah, Africa, Lagos. You update your time zone. Is your postal address same as your home address? You check that. Suburb, city, country, zip code, postal code. So whichever where you're from, you put it there. Then about you, I'm applying for a typing contractor position. You update your about you section and complete it. Then you can be able to start receiving jobs. Okay, you need to increase your typing speed as well. If you haven't done that already, if your typing speed is not up to like 60 words per minute, you can use the link in the description to go practice typing. All right, go and practice typing. I'm showing you guys legit ways to earn now, and some of you will still be in the comments telling me since you've come to my channel you've not gotten any job. Don't forget that I do not give these jobs. I share what I find, and by the time you watch it, the job might not be there because millions of people are looking for jobs to do from home. So you cannot blame me if you don't find it. So that's why I'm sharing again. Make sure that your about you section is legit. Make sure that it's gonna be like a cover letter anyway, this about you section, to tell the employers that yes, you know what you're doing. So whenever there's an opportunity, they will surely show send it to you. So there's nothing I can do here now. There's nothing I can do unless I finish this, because my profile is incomplete. Okay. Once I complete it, then I'll see my full dashboard and how it looks like. So please make sure you sign up. Make sure you complete your own dashboard. Or maybe I should complete it and then see how it goes. So I was able to complete my profile, and I haven't put the about section, okay, because this video I'm rushing it. But it says typing contractor. All of our applications are processed through our online application. We do not accept resumes or applications via any other process. Okay, so once you finish that your profile, then you click on this apply button. Sterling Transcription is looking for enthusiastic and detail oriented applicant. Your response to this question will play a crucial part in determining whether we progress your application. Short, vague answers such as "because I like typing" will not be looked upon favorably. Please enter your details into the form below. I've already done this, okay? I don't know why it's okay. So the first page is obviously your details, your profile. Then the second quota will be this, okay? Please select the transcription category you are wishing to apply for. Is it research, medical, proofreading, finance, media, stenography, VCAT, radiology, captioning, legal transcription, minute taking? Then you select them. Recommended equipment. Contractors are responsible for their own equipment and software. Please advise whether you own them. You own a PC, either laptop or desktop, yes or no. Broadband internet connection, yes or no. Windows 10 professional or higher operating system, yes or no. Microsoft Office 365 or Office 2021, yes or no. A foot pedal, which is compatible with Express Scribe, yes or no. A set of external speakers with volume control and a set of good quality headphones, yes or no. Software which can play. So you read all these things and see if you have them, or no, but you will purchase if you get the job, okay? So if you need the link to these items here, they are in my you see them in the description, so you can purchase them if you want to. Then extra equipment, stenographic equipment. Please indicate which areas you have experience in. You select, okay, what is your typing speed? Like I said, you need to have like 60 words per minute to help you land these jobs. And contractor details. Have you previously provided services? Have you applied to work as a typing contractor? Then availability. Are you able to commit to typing a minimum of 4 hours of audio per week? Yes or no? Then check other details. For references, you need first reference, full name, relationship email, second reference. So, and then you then attach a resume. It says that cover letter is not required. So, but that's why I said you can make your about section to stand out, to serve as your cover letter. How did you hear about them? Disclaimer. Please read this. Okay, I can't read all because of time. Then you click on submit and submit your application. Okay, they're actually hiring. So go and try your luck. I don't partner with them and I cannot guarantee that yes, you'll get this job or not. Okay, that's why I'm sharing it with you guys. Go and try your luck if you want to work as a transcriptionist, if you have at least 60 words per minute typing speed. And wish you guys success. Let me know your thoughts. Please subscribe to the channel, like, comment and share, and I will see you in the next one.